And today we're going to be checking out these kids' sunglasses. That's right, this is a party pack of sunglasses. Great for birthday parties, pool parties, swim parties, just anytime parties, even family reunions or where you want to have a little extra surprise for the kids. Plus, it's also going to UV protect their eyes and give them sunglasses. How cool is that? Let's go ahead and open it up and we're going to try these things out. All right, so here's the pack. You see you get 2 red, 2 green, 2 blue, 2 orange, 2 purple, 2 black, 2 pink, 2 yellow, for a total of 16 pairs of sunglasses. When you open them up, they're all individually wrapped, and they are styled after a quite popular brand. You can see the little metal tabs for the arms. They do open and close. They're light, they have nice lenses on them, and they're pretty flexible, so they're going to be durable enough for the kids to throw around and play with and wear. So let's go ahead and put some on the kids. All right, so I've opened some of them up for you. You can see they're very vibrant colors, all the same style, but multiple colors, enough to please everyone for sure. And look at these cool kids sporting their awesome eyewear. No burnt retinas or pupils here. What do you think, Colty? Do you like your glasses?
Yeah, and I'm peeking.
You're peeking. Tanner, hey, it makes Tanner look kind of cool.
And that's why Dad, you can't
Movie star.
see me where I am.
And
Where the
way too far. So as you can see, they're really cool sunglasses. Great for those summer events and parties. And they actually work, so very, very cool. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.